Now this is a big night for Buick. We've got successes to celebrate and some dramatic new product to unveil.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada brings passion and excitement to the Buick showroom. It is the first convertible in 25 years, and it excels in the attributes that I was just describing. Cascada is a lot of fun to drive, and not just because of the convertible top. It's powered by a torque-power 1.6-liter turbo engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The handling is outstanding thanks to the hyper-strut front suspension. Torsional stiffness is on par with the BMW 3 Series and the Audi A3 and A5. And although it's a convertible, there was still a priority to make Cascada quiet and to make it comfortable. So the top is outfitted with thermostat insulation to make it suitable for all seasons. We even added heated front seats and a heated steering wheel in case we get yet another polar vortex. Operating the top is fast and easy. One button just lowers the top in just 17 seconds. It functions at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, so you can drop the top whenever the spirit moves you. Cascada answers a specific opportunity to bring to market a convertible that delivers Buick's blend of value and luxury. And it's also the latest example of the expressive nature of the brand, a brand that so many people feel strongly connected to, both inside and outside of the company. Ladies and gentlemen, the Buick Cascada